In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Outlook. If you want a simple way to keep track of follow-ups, reminders, or things you need to get done, creating tasks in Outlook is a great option. It helps you turn ideas and emails into actionable items you can return to later, all within the same app you may already be using every day. There are two easy ways to create a task in Outlook, and I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever method feels more convenient. The first method starts from an email. If there's a message in your inbox that you want to turn into a task, go to your mail section and find that email. Then right-click on the message to open the context menu. From there, click on the advanced option and then choose Create Task. This is especially useful when an email contains an action item, like something you need to respond to, review, or complete later. By creating a task directly from the email, you can stay organized without needing to copy information manually. Once the task is created, you can review it and make any edits you need. For example, you may want to adjust the title so it's easier to recognize at a glance, or add details that help you remember what needs to be done. Taking a few extra seconds here can make your task list much more useful later on. The second method is a more direct way to create a task from within Outlook itself. On the left sidebar, click on To Do. This opens the area where your personal tasks and planned items are managed. After that, click on Task to create a new one. This method works well when you already know what you need to do and don't need to base it on a specific email. Using the To Do section is helpful because it keeps your tasks in one dedicated space. That makes it easier to review what's coming up, stay focused on priorities, and avoid losing track of smaller action items during a busy day. So, to quickly recap, you can either right-click an email in Mail, go to the advanced option and select Create Task, or you can click To Do on the left sidebar and then click Task to create one directly. And that's it. Those are the simple ways to create tasks in Outlook and start managing your